You're watching the Tish 21.
Elvis Production.
God damn. Bro, that's actually nasty. What the fuck? I gotta start looking at F80s a little different. Alright guys, we are picking up my boy Martin's first V8 car here. We just did all the paperwork and everything. We're about to get to the car right now. Oh my god, look at that. My boy Martin's in his first V8. He used to have a G37 Coupe. Actually still has it. He hasn't sold it yet. We just picked this one up recently. That is disgusting. Here. Alright guys, take a look at this. So we got my boy Martin's, new to him, E92 M3. This car's got a DCT on it. It's in absolutely pristine condition, aside from one thing. It needs a throttle actuator. So of course, as you guys know, rod bearings and throttle actuators are the most common issues on these cars. Now, it is in limp mode because of the throttle actuator. I don't know if it's gonna allow us to rev it, but let's see. It can't go past 3K, but I'll put the camera behind so you can hear what it sounds like with this Magnaflow exhaust. I just can't take in how disgusting of a fucking car he got. Like, look at this thing. This is an 09 car, but it's got the LCI taillights just like my M3 has, except he's actually got the nicer diffuser that I kind of want right now. Take a look at this. Beautiful carbon fiber diffuser. I'm definitely getting that in my car. Carbon fiber lip spoiler. He's got the carbon side blades on it, and it's also got a nice carbon fiber front lip as well. Take a look at this. It had a nasty pair of headlights on it, but he wanted to keep those for his E90 because he actually has a supercharged E90, which I'll get on the channel later on for you guys. But this was kind of his daily extra car. He also has a Trackhawk, so we'll definitely get to. And he has an F80, which is fully boosted up. So, well, tell me this is one of the cleanest E92s you guys have ever seen. Absolutely beautiful. Obviously, some stuff like even on my car, the steering wheel trim and stuff kind of peels away. So maybe time for a new steering wheel, but the car is just like in fantastic condition aside from that throttle body, the throttle actuator. Now the throttle actuator causes a condition which puts it into a limp mode. So the car is in limp mode right now, so we're gonna get that fixed. And the hood struts don't want to stay up on their own, but obviously that's kind of what you get. But other than that, the car's in immaculate shape. We actually, when we came to first see it, it was in such mint condition. The car had just been fully cleaned and waxed. This car has actually got fully ceramic coated and PPF'd as well. So really good setup he's got on it right now. Carbon fiber roof. It is the single hump, so like I guess they call it a stripper package. So it's got no navy or anything, no screen. I guess that's just how they come. Let's just take a moment to appreciate this thing. Got some beautiful Apex wheels on it, as well as a Brembo brake kit. And the cool thing I heard about the Brembos is apparently you can just take C63 brakes and put a bracket on it and use them on the M3s. I didn't know that before, but I do know that now, so I might be thinking of getting some Brembos for mine as well. And then we'll get this one and mine together so that you can do a proper comparison of DCT versus manual. How is it?
Yo, this is the best thing ever. Yo,
Life isn't a V8.
facts.
Exactly. Bro, what is this traffic, man? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.